We are waiting to watch Isngane Sestembu season 4. We know Musamseleku can update us about that program, but now he is quiet. What's going on DSTV? But we know that they are already shooting the program, or the problem is on other people. They have got their content on reality shows. DSTV maybe want to promote other people's reality shows. They know that when Utando Nestembu or Isngane Sestembu is playing on DSTV, other programs are not trending on social media. Isngane Sestembu is the only program is trending on social media. So the problem is on people of other programs, reality shows. They are complaining that Musamseleku's program sometimes they disturb other programs to trend, because only Utando Nestembu, only Isngane Sestembu, Mpumelelo and his girlfriends are trending on social media. But DSTV, they have to deal with business. They are on business, because Msamseleku now and his kids, they are on social media. Those people, they are on people's eyes than other programs. So DSTV have to deal with money, because money comes first. Yes, other people, they can complain that Musamseleku and his kids, they have to stop, because Isngane Sestembu now, they are delaying the program because of other people are complaining of Musamseleku, because he have got Iqaba, Uthando Nestembu, Isngane Sestembu, Mnakwethu. Musamseleku's programs, especially Mnakwethu, was trending on social media, was trending on television. Mnakwethu, because Musamseleku, he is a good producer. He knows how to produce the program. People, they love to see like Mnakwethu, Uthando Nestembu, Isngane Sestembu. That's why Mpumelelo was on forefront. Musamseleku is coaching Mpumelelo to take a different woman, because he wants to make money to have content. So other people, they hate it, especially other, they've got their own reality shows. It's not trending on social media. Only Musamseleku and his wives are trending on social media, like it's the only reality show on television. But they have to understand, even Musamseleku, when he was starting his program on DSTV 2017, Musamseleku didn't give up, because now they are going to celebrate 10 years. Uthando Nestembu was trending, was very hot on social media on season 8. Musamseleku bring Makwela. Musamseleku knows that he have to do something, his program, to trend on social media a lot. When Musamseleku bring Makwela, was the person who makes people to pay attention on that program. Even me, I didn't pay a lot of attention on Uthando Nestembu, because Uthando Nestembu was playing on 8 o'clock. I was sleeping. I feel sleep to watch Uthando Nestembu. But now I can repeat it again and again to watch Uthando Nestembu, because Msamseleku, they came far. So other programs, they have to understand, because those people, it's not about they came on 2017, start trending on social media. It took a lot of energy to become very famous. You can't be famous in one day. No, they took a lot. They took a lot of energy, a lot of money to trend on social media. They are risking to trend on television, to have many views. So that's why maybe other programs, they are complaining about why Musamseleku now. That's why DSTV maybe says Isngane Sestembu maybe can come on August, September. We don't know, because now we are waiting. No trailer. We didn't see anything. Musamseleku didn't update us what's going on Isngane Sestembu, because we know that he is the producer of Isngane Sestembu. He didn't say anything about that program, but that program, I think, is already being produced. It's there. Even those diaries, everything is on update. It's not about. It's the problem is about people, other people who have got shows. You know that people out there, they want to trend what, but you can't trend in 2 years, 3 years. It takes many years. Musamseleku and his wives, they start trending maybe on season 7 about Makumalo, and Mayeni didn't attend Makumalo's wedding. That's the program start trending, Musamsele could bring Makwela what. They can't being popular in 1 year or 2 years.